Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a image or picture as a round corner. The corner should be rounded on your Canva doc or Canva document. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a round corner image on Canva docs document? You can see the rounding corner or curve corner on the bottom. So how to make this? So I just going to insert an image here. So just adding an image, just going to make this a round corner as seamless like that. So first you just need to select the image, okay? Then you just need to have the toolbar on the top. So here you just see it's a corner rounding. Check this. Now you're just going to zoom in here so you can see how it's look like. Click this and just change this. You can see the corner has been smoothing and rounding. So this is how we just make the correction. You can just by typing, or you can just use this dragging to drag it and just make the which actually make the round corner, which make actually look minimal and look. So this is how we just make a rounded corner on your images in your Canva document on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.